Hi students, problem number 1 on the topic boats and streams. A man can row his boat along stream at 6 km per hour and against stream in 4 km per hour. The actual speed of the man has to be determined. So just now we have explained the concept how to solve such problems in boats and streams. So now let us take that the man is having a speed of Sm and along the stream means let us take this is the speed of water. So here along the stream, this is only called as what? Along a stream. So in this case the speed of the man with respect to water is equal to what? The actual speed of the man plus the speed of the water. And this is given as what? Along stream his speed is 6 km per hour. Okay. Now against the stream, so man is having a speed Sm in the x-axis and the water is flowing along the negative x-axis. So speed of water is opposing the man. This is called as against stream. So this is called as against the stream. So this is also called as downstream. This is also called as upstream. So in this case the relative speed of the man with respect to water is equal to the actual speed of the man minus the speed of water, and this is given as what? 4 km. Okay, 4 km per hour. So Sm plus Sw is equal to 6 and the Sm minus Sw is equal to 4. So this is the first equation and this is the second equation. Now I am going to add these two. Okay. So adding equation 1 and equation 2 implies, so Sm plus Sw plus Sm minus Sw, Sm minus Sw is equal to 6 plus 4. So this is 6 plus 4. Now Sw and minus Sw get cancelled. Okay. So Sm plus Sm is equal to, so the next step I will write here, Sm plus Sm is equal to 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So twice speed of the man is equal to 10. Therefore the actual speed of the man is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5. So the actual speed of the man is 5 km per hour. Okay. Therefore Sm is equal to 5 km per hour. So what is the correct answer? Which option is the correct answer? Option C is the right answer. Therefore option C is the correct answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.